Is 100% glueless. I love this girl so much. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Me, I don't really care for those, so I'm gonna cut these ear tabs off. Any baby hair or any lace tint, and look how flawless she is. So if you are a beginner or even intermediate or just a lazy wig wearer and you don't want to do the most, this is the perfect wig for you.